Hi, I'm Ron with Cruising This Old Boat, and today I'm going to show you how to set the shallow water alarm on your Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV. There's various reasons you'd want to have an alarm go off if the depth got too shallow. Obvious reason is to not run aground, but the point is if you're out in deep water and you've been traveling for a while in deep water, you may not be paying real close attention if you're on autopilot to your depth sounder, and so it's nice to know if suddenly the shelf comes up and you need to start worrying about the depth. Also, if you're at anchor and sometimes you can swing and run aground in the middle of the night, so that's a nice time to have it. I don't use it a whole lot in the ICW because the controlling depth is 6 foot. I've basically got about a 4 foot depth. So you'd have to set it at like 1.5 feet or 1 foot, which is kind of nerve-wracking anyway. So, you know, in shallow areas on the ICW, I'm going to be paying close attention to my depth sounder anyway. Now, before you set your shallow water alarm, you must first make sure your keel offset is properly adjusted to the way you want it, whether you want to know how much water is beneath your keel or how much is the actual depth of the water you're in. Either way, make sure that's set first, then you can set your shallow water alarm. But if you want to set a shallow water alarm, then these are the steps. First, you're going to select the home screen. Then you select settings. Next, you select alarms. From there, you would select the sonar. Here you would select the shallow water. Turn it on. And then you get to select the depth that you set it at. So let's say you want to know when the depth is 5 foot or less. You would select 5 feet and then select done. Select close, and you now have an alarm that will go off if the water depth is 5 foot or less. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.